Hi, Zara. How are you today?
Hi, Blake. I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm doing great. Welcome, everyone. This is our English talk.
Yes, I'm Zara, and I work at a company. I have a job like you.
And I'm Blake. I also work. Today, we talk about jobs in simple English.
Sometimes someone asks, "What do you do?" and we feel shy or our mind goes blank.
Yes, that happens in real life. Maybe at an office, a cafe, or a party.
In this lesson, you will learn ways to talk about your job, your daily tasks, and your feelings at work.
We will go slow, we will repeat, we will help you feel calm. Together today.
Quick warm-up. Blake, what do you do?
I work for a company. I'm an office worker.
Nice. Say it one more way.
Sure, I have an office job. I work at an office.
Great. See? Same idea, different simple words.
And if you feel nervous, that is normal. You are not alone.
Question for you. Have you ever forgotten words when talking about your job?
That question is so common, right? The first question people ask is, what do you do?
Oh, yes. And sometimes it feels like a big question.
I have a small story. Last week, I met a new neighbor. He smiled and said, "Hi, what do you do?" And I felt unsure for 1 second.
I understand. That little second feels long. Like your brain says, "Hello?"
Exactly. I wanted to give a perfect answer.
Many people do that. We want a movie answer, but real life is simple.
So today we teach easy patterns. Pattern 1, I work as.
Like, I work as a teacher.
Pattern 2, I am a.
Like, I am a driver. Easy.
And remember, job and work are very common words. You can say, my job is, or I work in, too.
Quick grammar tip. Very calm, very easy. Before a job, we often use a or an.
A for a job that starts with a consonant sound. A teacher, a nurse, a manager.
An for a vowel sound. An engineer, an artist. Short and simple.
One time I gave a too long answer, like, well, I do many things and my role is...
And the other person is like, "Oh, okay, wow."
So yes, short answers are okay. They are friendly, they are clear.
Now your turn. Do you like short answers or long answers?
Okay, Zara, can I ask you the next common question?
Yes, please.
Where do you work? And what is your workplace like?
I work at an office. It's in a busy area.
Nice. So you can say, I work at a school, I work in a shop, or I work from home. Simple.
Yes, some people work in a hospital. Some people work in a restaurant.
For me, I work from home some days. My place is quiet in the morning.
Lucky. My office can be noisy. It's busy.
And also,
There are many people.
yes, many people, many voices, many phones. How is your commute?
It's okay, but sometimes traffic is slow. When I arrive, I feel like, okay, let's do this.
I know that feeling. When I sit down, I take a deep breath.
Is your desk neat, Blake?
Neat? Sometimes. But sometimes it's a mess. Papers everywhere.
And I have one loud coworker, always talking.
Oh no. But it's okay. Every workplace is different.
Yes, and you can talk about your place in simple words. Your English is enough.
Now let's talk about daily tasks. What do you do in a normal day?
Okay, I start work at 9. First, I check my emails. Then I write messages.
You check, you write. Good. Easy verbs.
After that, I talk to my team. We meet for a short time.
What time do you start again?
I start at 9.
And who do you work with?
I work with a small team. We help each other.
In my day, I also check things. I check schedules, I write notes, I meet people online.
See? Same verbs. You can use help, make, check, talk, write, and meet for many jobs.
Yes, I help customers. I make coffee. I check papers.
I talk to people. I write reports. I meet my manager.
And when you finish a task, how do you feel?
I feel proud, like I did it.
That's a great feeling.
But on a busy day, I feel tired too.
Same. That happens to everyone. You are normal.
Your turn, viewers. What is one thing you do every day at work?
Now let's talk about skills. What are you good at?
I'm good at talking to people. I can talk in a calm way.
That's a great strength, and it's very useful at work.
Thanks. And you, Blake?
I'm good at being careful. I check details.
Nice. So, listeners, good at is a very common phrase. It means you do something well.
Yes, and you can say it two easy ways. 1, I am good at.
2, I can, like I can explain things. I can help customers.
If you feel low confidence, don't worry. You can learn small steps.
Also, we are not perfect.
True. I am still improving at time management. Sometimes I'm like, where did the time go?
Same. It's okay. We learn, we grow.
Next, likes and dislikes. Feelings at work.
Yes. We can feel happy, stressed, tired, excited, or bored. All of that is normal.
Zara, what do you like about your job?
I like my team because they are helpful. That makes me feel happy.
And what don't you like?
Sometimes I feel stressed when work is too much.
I have a small story. One day, I was tired and a little bored. Meetings, emails, more emails.
Oh no. Oh, the email mountain.
Yes, but then one coworker sent me a kind message. Good job today.
Aw, that small thing can change the whole day.
Exactly. I felt better. I felt more excited to finish my tasks.
So you can use easy frames. I like because.
And I don't like because. Simple and clear.
And remember, we don't need to be negative. We can be honest, but calm and kind.
Yes, you can talk about your feelings in simple English. You can do it. One more thing, Zara. A real conversation is not only answering, it's also asking.
Yes, if you only answer, it can feel like an interview.
So we can ask small questions back, like, what about you?
Or, do you like your job? Very easy, very friendly.
Watch. Zara, what do you do?
I work at an office. What about you?
See? Now it feels relaxed, not scary.
And you can also ask, where do you work? Or, is your workplace busy?
Pause and think, everyone. Repeat this question out loud. What about you?
One more time, slowly. What about you?
Great. And remember, mistakes are okay.
Even one short question can keep a conversation going.
Now, let's review key words and phrases. Okay, vocabulary time. Say it with us, slow and clear.
We will keep the examples simple and real. You can copy the pattern.
1. Job, your work. Example, I have a job.
2. Work, what you do to earn money. Example, I work every day.
3. Company, a business. Example, I work for a company.
4. Coworker, a person you work with. Example, my coworker is very kind.
5. Boss, the manager. Example, my boss is busy today.
6. Customer, a person you help or sell to. Example, I help customers.
7. Shift, Work time, like morning or night. Example, I work the night shift. 8. Busy, many things to do. Example, today is busy.
9. Tired. Need rest. Example, I feel tired after work.
10. Good at, strong skill. Example, I am good at cooking. Nice. Say your favorite one again with us.
And remember, keep it simple, keep it real.
Let's do a warm recap together.
Yes, calm and easy. No pressure.
Today, we practiced how to say your job. I am or I work as.
We also practiced where you work. I work at a school. I work in a shop. I work from home.
Then we talked about your normal day. I check, I talk, I write, I meet.
We talked about skills too. I am good at and I can.
And feelings. I feel happy, I feel tired, I feel stressed. Simple is okay.
We said it before and we say it again. Short answers are great for beginners.
Even if you only learned one new sentence today, that is good. That is progress.
Think about your life now. What is one sentence you can use tomorrow?
Question of the day. What do you do for work?
Answer in the comments. Simple English is perfect.
Here are 3 easy ideas.
1. Job title. I am a teacher.
2. Workplace. I work at a company.
3. Daily task. I help customers.
Don't worry about mistakes. Just try. We are proud of you. Thank you for learning with us today.
Please like, subscribe, and comment. Keep practicing a little every day.
See you next time. Bye-bye. You can improve little by little.